Hey, if Tinfoil keeps showing an update notification over and over, yeah, that can get really annoying. But don't worry, in this guide, I'll show you step by step how to fix the Tinfoil update notification loop so it stops popping up. First, make sure your device has a stable internet connection. Sometimes Tinfoil can't properly verify the update status if the connection keeps dropping. Reconnect or switch to a stable network, then reopen Tinfoil. Next, manually update Tinfoil. Sometimes automatic updates fail, causing the loop. Download the newest version and reinstall it. This often stops the repeated notifications. Tinfoil stores temporary files that may cause the update notification to persist even after updating. After clearing the cache, restart Tinfoil and check if the notification disappears. Make sure Tinfoil is installed in the correct directory. If it's in a custom or restricted folder, it may fail to register the update. If needed, reinstall in the default location for proper update detection. If the loop persists, uninstall Tinfoil completely and reinstall the latest version. This resets all update settings. So yeah, checking your internet, manually updating, clearing cache, verifying installation, or reinstalling usually fixes Tinfoil's update notification loop. After these steps, you shouldn't see that annoying pop-up anymore.